what's up? Welcome to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Ramil. I'm doing another wig review today. This wig is from Nadula. I do have a few videos already with me reviewing wigs from Nadula, so make sure you check that out. I'm so happy that they added in the adjustable band because guys, this part is so important. I have tons of people reach out to me all the time talking about how do you wear a glueless wig? How do you get it on to stay? Honestly, I should just send them a YouTube video that I have, but it's the adjustable band. I have a small head, I'm 5'1", like I'm a small girl. I make mine really tight, so I put mine about halfway, okay? So we're gonna be keeping this out. Okay. Adding this to my silk robe collection. HD wig caps, headbands, and some pretty press-on nails. Ooh, I'm already so excited, guys. The 7x5 Bye Bye Knots Invisible Wear and Go wig. And this is what it looks like. She's long. So before I put this on, I actually need to braid down my hair. So let me braid down my hair and then I'll be back and we can put on the wig together. Now that I'm done braiding my hair, we can go ahead and put this wig on. It's so pretty. This is 24 inches and I have the 150 density. And remember guys, this is a wear and go. This is what the inside of the cap looks like. You have some straps at the bottom. If you want, you can adjust, which I don't need to do that because I have this band right here. So they have the attachments on the sides here, which are by the ear. They're located by the ear. So here we go. instantly, I'm in love. Instantly. Like, let's get into it. It's tight, it's nice, it's secure. Hold on, let me just get these little hairs. And I love that there aren't any baby hairs. Not really a fan of the baby hairs. So let's see. Let's adjust the sides really quick. So I'm going in with an old pressed powder. It's by Glow. And I'm just taking a little bit and I'm just gonna dust these edges right here so it can blend in better. What I like to do, just to make sure it's really seamless, right? You can use a tinted foam. I'm just gonna use a regular foam. I'm gonna use a lot of body. And this is kind of just gonna help it like set into my skin, because I don't want to use glue. I don't want to use glue. It's messy sometimes. This is just gonna help have it melt, okay? So now let's style the wig. So instantly, I haven't brushed it, I haven't done anything, and this is what it looks like. So this is what this side is looking like. I do need to let it dry, and I scrunched it up just a bit. I didn't want to get it soaking wet because I don't want to look like a wet poodle all day, but I do love this water wave look. So let me do this side and then I'll be back with my final thoughts. Also, this is the final look. I let the hair dry and it's so pretty. It's beautiful water wave, no shedding. That's one thing I love about Nadula's hair. It's never gonna shed, it's never gonna be tangled. You can always run your hands through it. And look, y'all, like I said, it's glueless. All you gotta do is, and you're done. And you're done. Guys, once you have that adjustable band on, your wig will feel really snug. It's not going anywhere. Guys, I love this wig so much. This is gonna be one of the wigs I take on vacation with me because it's just giving carefree summer, I love my life vibes. Like, here, I'm gonna let you guys see it one more time. Yeah, guys, let me know what you think in the comments. I will have this exact wig linked in the description box, as well as all the products that I used for the day. I cannot wait to see you all in my next one. Love ya. Bye.